My third day in Sydney, and I'm going back town today to meet my friends, and I'm gonna go get coffee first and then catch the train. It's raining. It's so sad.
Look at this.
Yeah. So what are we ordering?
We're gonna get a hearty beef chili bowl with jalapeno cheese bread.
Okay.
We might get a carrot cake later. I'm probably gonna get a sandwich as well.
Yep.
I'm hungry.
Where's the pie? There's no pie.
I can't find the pie. I thought there was a pie here. It's definitely a pie place.
We're at Blue Mountains, and hopefully it stops raining.
Yeah. Like this one.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not too sweet. Okay, it's a video too.
With nothing. Oh shit! This fog is cracked. Gang gang.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
What the fuck is this?
It's like a whole it's like a whole different experience, Tim.
Wow, if we get lost down here, we're lost. It's like we're entering a magical...
Line right to stay.
It's going to walk in the rain.
Wait, I should have put my bag on before I put it. I'll be at the end of the
Where? Hey, this big must zoom. Ciao. No view.
Yes,
Okay.
I do agree. Look at the cat. When you want to change it, yeah, it's better. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, so cute! Ew. So cute! Hi!
Morning! Outfit check. Guys, it's my third day. One, two. No, it's my fourth day in Sydney now. It's Saturday and yeah, maybe should do a catch up. I had a rather slow day today, though the weather is actually not bad, but I don't know, like I had brunch with my friends and then just gonna chill during the afternoon because yeah, I think I need to have some quiet time. And after that, I'm going dinner at night in the evening, and that'll be fun. I'm excited for Chinese food, and yeah, I just want to hang with the cats and just have a chill day. Yeah, it's coming. Aww. We are going to church, but we're gonna get Macca's first.
9.